I know something you don't know. I know something you don't know. You wouldn't be saying that if you didn't want to tell us. There's a new pony coming to the farm today. Reese and Renee will be so excited. I am so excited about the new pony. Me too. I'm going to name her Jada. I'm going to feed her and brush her. I will look after her and make sure she has everything she needs. I can't wait to meet Jada. She's here. She's here. Welcome to our farm. This is a really nice place to live. Do you eat hay?
That's a fine-looking pony, Reese.
Thank you, Ranger. Together we will learn how to ride. Are you excited, Jada? Let's get started.
Hold on, Reese. Renee asked me if she could be the first to ride Jada today.
What? Oh dear, oh dear, oh Reese, dear, oh see that one coming. Are you upset, Reese?
Renee will take a turn and then it will be your turn.
Oh.
Be strong, Reese. Be strong.
But I want to ride Jada.
And you will. I promise. I'll stay here with you, and we will wait together.
Jada is special to me, Ranger. I don't want to share.
Sometimes we have to share, even when it's hard.
Are you going to cry, Reese? Are you?
Quiet. Not helpful.
If you had a snack and Renee had none, would you share? Yes. If you had all the toys and Renee had none, would you share? Yes, I would. If you had candy and Renee had none, would you share? Yes. But I love Jada more than all of those things. We could cheer Renee on. It would help pass the time. Renee would probably like if her big sister watched her ride.
Would you like to watch Renee and Jada?
I don't know if I can. It gives me a lump in my throat. My head hurts. Can't breathe. I understand, Reese. Jada is just so wonderful that everyone loves her and everyone wants to ride her. Little buddy, we will help you watch. And then the lump in your throat will probably start to go away. You can give Jada some of our carrots when it's your turn. Good job, Renee. Good job, Jada. She is such a good pony. Thank you for letting me ride her, Reese. You're welcome, little sister. Reese, it's your turn. It's your turn. Ride that pony, Reese. Renee, you can sit with us to watch Reese's turn. You sit next to me, Renee. Sweet, gentle Jada.
Reese is growing so strong inside.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.